How to fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. Welcome back to Lemme Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, open up your WordPress in your PC. You can visit the WordPress website and log in into your account. You may face this issue if your theme and plugin are in conflict. That means either you have an outdated themes or plugin, or you are currently temporarily deactivated, or you need to clear up your cache. Either way, here comes the solution. For this, you might need an external mode or plugin. You can go ahead and open up your dashboard. From there, select the option of plugins. Once you tap on your plugin option, you will see the new option. Select the option of Add New. Browse for the plugin AMP for WP Accelerated Mobile Pages. Then you need to tap on Install Now icon. Once you tap on Install Now, wait until the plugin is successfully installed. Once it is installed, navigate to Plugins. Then you need to activate your plugin. To configure for your AMP, you can visit your general settings. From there, you'll be able to select basic or advanced option. Go for basic for now. Then for the theme, select a pre-built AMP design or customize the layout using CSS. Then for the extension, you'll be able to enable additional functionalities for your AMP setup through compatible extensions or plugin designed specially for AMP. By this way, you'll be able to fix your WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.